Okay, this is a quick video to show how you could calculate acceleration for a car. Let's say we have a car that's traveling at a constant velocity. Okay, there's my little car. He's traveling along here and he's traveling at a speed of 10 meters per second. That means every second the car travels 10 meters. The car then starts to accelerate. That means he's going to increase in speed. So now my car is traveling a little faster. So there's my car and he's traveling much faster. He's traveling at a speed of, we'll say, 25 meters per second. Now the time it takes for the car to increase in speed from 10 meters per second to 25 meters per second, that increase happened over 5 seconds. So it was traveling at a constant velocity of 10 meters per second. Then the car started to accelerate. And 5 seconds later, the car is now traveling at 25 meters per second. In order to calculate the acceleration, we're going to use a formula. Acceleration equals the final speed. Okay, this is for all our calculations, minus the starting speed. Okay, I'll write down start speed, divided by, so the whole thing is divided by the time taken. So in this particular problem, we have to look at what is the final speed. The final speed is 25 meters per second. So I can write 25 for the final speed, minus what is the starting speed. The starting speed is 10 meters per second. Write that down there, divided by the time taken. How long did this increase in speed take? 5 seconds. So it's divided by 5. Now we have a fraction we need to work out. So we'll do the subtraction at the top. 25 minus 10, or 10 from 25, will be 15, divided by 5. So we've simplified that fraction. Now it's 15 divided by 5. How many times is 5 going to 15? The answer is 3. So our sum is done. Now we need to have the correct units. And the units for acceleration are meters per second squared. So that means every second the speed of the car increases by 3 meters per second. So go back up to the start. It was traveling at 10 meters per second. 1 second later, it will be traveling at 13 meters per second. Another second later, it will be traveling at 16 meters per second. And so on. Every second, the speed increases until 5 seconds later, it's traveling at 25 meters per second.